this is Natasha Ratliff with Ratliff Real Estate at Realty One Group. We are showing you one of our latest listings right on the golf course here at Indianola Country Club. It is 508 West Orchard Avenue in Indianola. It's 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2-car garage, plenty of space, over 1,800 square feet of finish, full basement, plenty of storage, extra storage upstairs in the attic space, which is humongous, and a master bedroom that has a ensuite as well as a full walk-in closet. It's gorgeous.